Welcome to the Weather Center. We started off the day with cloudy and wet weather this Friday across eastern South Africa, and we're still seeing a lot of cloud hanging around over Limpopo, Mpumalanga and much of KwaZulu-Natal. We have less cloud, however, as we go towards the Free State, and clear skies persist over western South Africa. However, along the south coast, we have a cold front which is brushing over this part of the country, and it has introduced a bit of cloud over those areas. So this means tonight we are going to see just a bit of rain over parts of the south coast extending into the East London area. Thunderstorms are forecast for much of the northwest and the Free State, pushing eastwards into the eastern provinces. It's going to stay fine across western South Africa. Then on Saturday, we are expecting the weather to kind of divide the country into two. It's going to stay unsettled over the eastern half of South Africa. The western parts of the country will stay mostly sunny with sizzling hot temperatures forecast, however, across much of the Northern Cape. Now tonight you can expect just a 20% chance of light rain along the south coast. The light shade of blue represents up to a 40% chance of thunderstorms, and we're expecting up to a 60% chance of thunderstorms where you see the darker shade of blue. We still have a watch for severe thunderstorms issued by the South African Weather Service for the southeastern parts of the country. If you're in Cape Town tonight, it's going to be pretty quiet, just a few patches of cloud over the mountains, and overnight temperatures will drop to around 14 degrees. Then pleasant weather is forecast for you on Saturday afternoon, temperatures warming up to around 28. A southwesterly breeze is forecasted tonight along much of the east coast as well as the south coast, extending into the southern interior. Then on Saturday, southerlies are forecast for the KZN coastal areas. The airflow tends to a southeasterly for the Eastern Cape coastal areas as well as the south coast and the southwest coastline. We start off Saturday with temperatures around 17 from Mbombela and Pretoria. Joburg will see a minimum of 16. Cooler as we go towards the Free State, even cooler for Graaff-Reinet where a minimum of 10 is forecast, 9 for Sutherland. A minimum of 14 is forecast for Port Elizabeth. A bit warmer as we go towards East London. Durban and Richards Bay will drop to around 20. It's going to be sizzling hot on Saturday afternoon over the western parts of the country. Kimberley peaking at 35, a sizzling 39 in Uppington. Cooler as we go towards the southern areas. Sutherland 28. Temperatures will stay in the lower 20s for Port Elizabeth, Bishop and East London. Durban should peak at around 24 degrees. Isolated thunder showers are forecast on Sunday across the central and eastern parts of the country, and we're expecting a bit of rain around George. Then on Monday, the wet weather intensifies for the south coast and unsettled weather persists for the eastern half of the country. That's all from the Weather Center for now. Enjoy the rest of your Friday.